Burp. Nixie, you don't like burping? Not a fan of burps? Burp. But you burp all the time. I've heard you burp. You don't like burps. Okay, I won't burp. Burp. Nixon. I love you though.